Welcome friends to my channel, that is Sandhya Chatterjee, and this is again we are taking three programs, a simple look of three programs, that is printing area of a circle, then printing result, and then printing the salary, net salary of the candidate. For first program we are declared three variables: float pi, float radius and area. Then after accepting the radius, the area will be calculated with the formula, that is 2 into pi into radius, and we are printing radius and area of a circle. Shortcut of program execution is Ctrl F9. It will ask you the radius of the circle. So it will print the radius and the area of a circle. Our second program is result, for which we declared variables like character name of 10 characters, integer mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3, total and average. First we accept the name, accepted the mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3, and total is equal to mark 1 plus mark 2 plus mark 3 is the formula for total, and formula for average is equal to total divided by 3, because we accepted three subjects. Program execution. First it will ask you the name, mark 1, mark 2 and mark 3. So it will print your total marks, your name with total marks and average. Our third program is calculating the salary of the candidate, for which we declared three variables like character name of 10 characters, float, basic TAD and HRA, and net salary. We are accepting the name, we are accepting basic salary, and the TAD and HRA will be calculated as per given formula, that is basic is equal to whatever percentage is provided by the user. Net salary is equal to basic is equal plus TADA plus HRA, and we are printing name with basic salary, and we are printing name with net salary. They will ask you the name, basic salary and the net salary and basic salary with given name. So these three programs are executed on Neutron Turbo C++. The same program we will execute on Visual Dev++. First program for printing circle area, that is same variables, same statements, and the result is here you have to specify Ctrl plus F10 to execute the program. If it is compiled properly, it will execute the program. Radius, suppose I am specifying 7, so it will print over here. Our second program is same, that is printing the result. You can compile from compile option. If it is providing no errors, so it will say close. Yes, it will say status is done, that means there is no errors. You say close. Ctrl plus F10 for executing the program. Name, so this is total and average. Same program with the usual dev. And next is salary. Statements are same, program is same, but the execution is on Visual Internet. So this is your salary printing. So there is nothing much difference between two environments. Both are same, statements are same, and execution is same. So if you like this, you can press like button. Thank you. Welcome again. For more information, you can visit my blog, that is cprogrammingblogspot.com.